everyone. Welcome back to the Storage Virtualized Plugin series. I am Anushka Gupta, front-end developer at IBM, and today we'll be deep diving into the concept of migrating existing storage configuration to a vCenter partition. Currently, we have a storage system added to the plugin in legacy mode, that is, non-partition mode, which has some volumes and data stores associated with it. Now let's create a vCenter partition on this storage system. First, go to the UI of your storage system and then click on Create vCenter Partition. Give it a name of your choice and then enter the URL of the vCenter you're using. To add your existing resources into the partition, select the checkbox and then move forward. Now select all the volume groups and volumes you wish to add to this partition. And then click Next. Select existing volume groups if any, and then click Next. Now review all the information present on this page and then click Next again. Verify all the information on the final page and then click on Finish. We can see that the partition is now created. Let's go back to our plugin and reconcile the storage system to check the updated information. In recent tasks, we can observe a task indicating that a registration mode change has occurred. After clicking refresh, we can see that the storage system is now associated with the partition. Let's go to the storage partitions page. Here we can get information about the storage systems associated with the partition and its replication topology. Click on View Partition. On the partition details page, you will see information such as replication overview, storage components, and partition information. Now let's check the data stores and volume groups we added through the seeding process. We can see that the volume group and data stores are now part of the partition. Let's check the other components as well. Go to the inventory and check the host cluster, host and data store details. We can see on the cluster that it's now part of the partition and all the hosts are also part of partition. Let's go to the data store now. On the data store summary page, we can see that the data store is now part of the partition. Similarly, in a HA partition, we will have a label as HA, and on the storage partition details, we'll have the names of both the system hosting the HA partition. We can see the diagram here representing the relationship. Here we can see that the system on the left has a label indicating that this system is Active Management System, that is AMS. We can also see the partner storage system here. Similarly, we can have a HADR partition added to the plugin in the same way. Let's go to the storage partitions page and check the details of HADR partition. Let's view the partition details. In the diagram, we can see the HADR relationship. Here, DR is running and we have two systems in HA established mode. Also, the replication topology is marked as HADR. Thank you. That's all for today.